everybody. It's Jerry Niesman with the Niesman team at Keller Williams Realty here, bringing you another Niesman Team Home Tour. And we are talking today, or looking at today, the Cali model at Entrada. It's a D.R. Horton community. The Cali is one of D.R. Horton's Express brand homes. It's a little over 1,800 square foot, 4-bed, 2-bath, with a 2-car garage home, all one floor. Their Express Series homes feature fewer options and upgrades that you can add to the home because they include all those things standard. So you're getting tile throughout the main living areas, you're getting the nicer raised panel cabinets throughout the home. You do have a couple of color combinations that you can choose from, but it's basically what you see there on the wall. That's their design studio area, where in the Express Series they've got a couple of different combinations that you can choose from. But otherwise, it all comes as a package. Quartz countertops, things like that all come standard. So as you can see, nice, spacious home. Stainless appliances are included. Nice great room area. Plenty of room to move around. Bedrooms are all spread out with the master at the back. Got a nice lanai there. And plenty of room behind most of these homes to fit a pool. They build this floor plan at many of the different communities, as well as doing some on your lot type stuff throughout Cape Coral. So if that's something you're interested in, if you like this floor plan, but maybe not necessarily the right community for you here in Entrada, we can help you set that up as well. And if this floor plan doesn't seem to fit for you, let me know that also. There's plenty of other floor plans. They have both the Express Series as well as their regular D.R. Horton series, which does allow you some additional flexibility and customization if you want to go that route as well. Obviously, those are a little bit more expensive. This home here in Entrada starts at $262,000. You're going to have to add a home site premium and a few options and upgrades if you want to do those things. But like I said, for the most part, most of it's included with the Express Series homes. This is something that interests you, give me a shout and let me know. You know where to find me. YouTube, the Niesman team, Jerry Niesman on Facebook or Instagram. realpeople-realestate.com is the website. Or you can give us a call at 239-201-9583. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.